Welcome to this tutorial on how to reset your password in Coinbase. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of resetting your password securely and efficiently. Firstly, it is essential to understand the importance of password security, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. Coinbase takes the security of its users very seriously, and resetting your password is a straightforward process. To begin, go to the Coinbase website and click on the Login button. Since you are trying to reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be asked to enter your email address associated with your Coinbase account. Enter your email address and click on the Reset Password button. Coinbase will send you an email with a password reset link. Open the email and click on the Reset Password link. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique, containing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have entered your new password, click on the Reset Password button. Your password will be updated, and you will be able to log in to your Coinbase account with your new password. It is recommended to use a password manager to generate and store unique and complex passwords. Best practices for password security include using a password manager, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding common passwords. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the security of your Coinbase account and protect your financial information. In conclusion, resetting your password in Coinbase is a simple and secure process. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can reset your password and maintain the security of your account. Remember to always prioritize password security and use best practices to protect your sensitive information.